Okay, champions, today we're talking about Bitcoin. And remember on September 7, when Bitcoin was going towards the bottom, crashing right down towards the lows of 48K, I made that prediction that Bitcoin would reverse and go back up to 61K. Okay, so this is the exact prediction that I made in my Twitter account, Tradenalytics. Okay, and I stated that Bitcoin will go back up to 61K, and I gave the explanation here why. Okay, let's look at the chart of Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin currently stands at a price of 64K. So definitely Bitcoin did not go down and crash towards 40K like many people are predicting. Okay. So in this video, I'll explain exactly why I made that prediction. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please like and subscribe this video, and also look out at my Tradenalytics in my Twitter account, and this is where I post all of my latest news. Okay, so exactly what happened next was that Bitcoin took out the 61K in September 14. Okay, and I also showed that this is the exact prediction that was made. Okay, Bitcoin used this red color line as a guide. Okay, so in my YouTube videos, I've also explained how important this red line is. Okay, you can check this one out. So next, what happened? I made a second prediction that Bitcoin will go towards 65K. Okay, so I gave explanations here exactly why, and then later on, Bitcoin did exactly what was expected. It retraced down first, okay, and then go back up towards the price target of 65K. Okay, so currently we are at near 65K right now, and I'm still predicting 65K at this point. Okay, so exactly how I made that prediction, I will be explaining right now. So if you look at the chart here, okay, you can see that there is quite a lot of jumbled mess. But if you were to draw a pitchfork, okay, and you draw the pitchfork right here, so this is the A pivot, and this is the B pivot, and this is the C pivot. Okay, so A, B, and C. And you notice that right here, when the price came up from this pivot C, okay, so this is A, B, C, price went up to the median line, which is this line in the middle right here. Okay, and it rejected it. Okay, so you notice the upthrust of this median line here. So it went up, they went back down. Okay, and this is actually quite a very minor bearish behavior, but it's not extremely bearish. Okay, and the reason why is because the upthrust was quite significant at the first attempt. So we are at that point, I did not predict that the price would crash all the way down and take out the lows. Okay, so I was predicting that price would still go back up, but it will build some cause, and the cause, very importantly, had to be built somewhere. And I explained in my videos previously that the cause would be built right here. Okay, and what this red line is showing here is the lower parallel of this pitchfork. Okay, so when price went up to this median line, okay, and it rejects it, and now over here it decided to go back up to the median line again, and this time on the second attempt it rejected the median line with a much lower upthrust. Okay, notice that this is the pretty huge distance in upthrust, and this is a much smaller upthrust, and I explained before that this is a sign of weakness. Okay, so what happened next is that Bitcoin decided to crash back down to the red line. Okay, this is also something that I've shown in my Twitter account. So Bitcoin will go towards the red line, and at the point where it goes to the red line, it will try to build a cause. Okay, and the cause is actually a sideways movement that has to happen before the Bitcoin actually goes back up and goes towards the median line again. Okay, and I also explained before that when Bitcoin goes toward the median line on the third attempt, so this is the first attempt, this is the second attempt, and on the third attempt, okay, Bitcoin has to produce quite a lot of cause, and the cause has to be a sideways movement that happens somewhere around the red color line. Okay, so currently exactly what's happening right now, okay, to explain Bitcoin's exact price movement, is that it's just trying to build that cause. Okay, and we are seeing some good signs because Bitcoin has downtrusted this red line, okay, went back up, and then retested the red line somewhat right here. Okay, so this was not a very precise rejection that I would like to see, but I think this is quite significant, and I think it's enough for Bitcoin to go back up towards the median line again. Okay, which is this line here. Yeah, the line over here. Okay, and I do believe that the next time when Bitcoin attempts to go towards the median line again, we would actually reach the all-time highs. Okay, so as we know, the all-time highs of Bitcoin is around 73K. So yeah, the moment Bitcoin finishes its course around the red line, it would actually attempt the median line one more time, and this time it will be the all-time highs. Okay, and also in my Twitter account, I also predicted that Bitcoin will go to the all-time highs and much higher. Okay, so this will be the continuation pattern, and Bitcoin will eventually go to the all-time highs and much higher in the next towards the end of the year. Okay, so that's my prediction for Bitcoin for now. And yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. And also look at my Twitter account. There's a lot of stuff here that you can definitely benefit from. Okay, so I'll see you next time. Thank you.